To troubleshoot a GE topload washer that has power but won't start. The issue may be due to a faulty electronic control board or a jammed door lock assembly. Replacing the electronic control board is necessary to fix this problem. Start by switching off the power source and removing the power cord from the outlet. Then, remove the control knob from the control panel and unscrew the console from the back of the panel. To access the control board, disconnect the control board by releasing the locking tabs from the wire harness and air hose. And then pull it out. Replace it with a new control board and reconnect everything back into position. Next, power on the machine and calibrate the washer by running the diagnostics. Additionally, replacing the door lock assembly may be necessary. Begin by disconnecting the washer from the power outlet. Then remove the top panel using a screwdriver and pull it to the rear of the washer. Use a putty knife to pry open the white latch and remove the door lock assembly. Once removed, disconnect it from the wire harness and replace it with a new door lock assembly. Connecting it to the wire harness, reinstall the door lock assembly and the top panel, and then power on the machine. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix a GE topload washer that won't start but has power.